Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again in this field to extend the list of visible toggles. Here you will find what is called stamina mode, which is basically equivalent to the power saving mode. Once you tap on it, it gives you a quick pop-up. Stamina mode turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. I'm going to select turn on. Now out of this quick little message right there that we get, there is one very important part, which is the last one. It's very vague in terms of what it does with the delays notifications, so I will just expand a little bit on it. The way it achieves that is by turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data and reconnecting to it every 20 minutes or so, however it's set to. So that's why you'll basically be getting delays in notification delivery. Now this obviously also will extend to any kind of messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, and all that stuff, as the device won't have any kind of internet connection between some time intervals, and it will just see if it's missing anything every so often. So if that is a deal breaker for you, just keep in mind that's kind of how the power saving mode here works, and there is no way to turn it off, meaning this function while still keeping power saving mode. Now, anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can tap on the toggle once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.